Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start new topic, new chapter, circle. First we see definition of circle. We know the circle is a set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. In the 10th standard also we have studied circle. In this chapter we learn equation of circle, different forms of circle, equation of tangent, condition of for tangency, director circle. So what is circle? Set of all points in the plane which are equidistant from fixed point in the plane. Just remember definition written on the board. We know the center of a circle is O, and what is radius? OP. R is the radius of the circle. What is fixed point? Circle is set of all points in the plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. What is a fixed point? Fixed point means center of a circle. And the distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Now this is the first form which we learn here, standard form. R is equal to x square plus y square equal to r square. This is standard form of equation of circle. If we consider origin O 0 0 is the center of circle, pxy be any point on the circle. So what is the radius of circle? OP is equal to r. OP is equal to r. So using distance formula, what we get? If we do squaring both sides, OP square equal to r square, that means x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square. Therefore we got here r square is equal to x square plus y square. Now what is the second form? Center radius form. If we consider coordinate system, a circle having center h comma k, any point on the circle pxy, so we get radius r cp is equal to r. Again using distance formula, we should get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and this is the center radius form. These two are important forms. Standard form x square plus y square equal to r square. Center radius form x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Here we solve an example. What is the example given? Find the equation of circle with center origin and radius 3. So which way we solve this example using which form? Which form we use here? Standard form, because of what is given, center as a origin and radius 3. Center origin, it means this is standard circle. So we should use standard form. What is standard form? X square plus y square equal to r square. What is center as a origin, and r is 3. So substitute r as 3 square, r equal to 3. This is the simple way to solve example. Just substitute the value of r, radius, we get equation of circle. One more example we solve here, depend on another form, center radius form. Find the equation of circle. Put center is center is minus 3 comma 1. We can take any point and which pass through the point any point on the circle 5 comma 2. We can take any point. We take here 5 comma 2. This is the form, center radius form. What is center given? H comma k is equal to minus 3 comma 1, and what is the point given? So what is given? Center H comma k minus 3 comma 1 given. Circle passes through the point. Which point given? 5 comma 2. So here we have to find first radius. So how to find radius? By using distance formula. R square is equal to, this is point P we consider here, so Cp square. Using distance formula, what we get? Yes, think it over. 5 plus 3 whole square plus 5 plus 3 means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square. We should get 5 plus 3, 8, 8 square, 64 plus 1, 65. It means r square is equal to 65. R is equal to under root of 65. But we don't want r, we want r square. So keep it as it is, r square 65. Now using center radius form, we get equation of circle x minus, what is h? Minus 3. So minus minus plus will get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 65, and this is the required equation of circle. And using which form we solve here? We use center radius form here. So these are the important form. We mostly use this form for finding equation of circle, different standard form and center radius form. So in the next lecture we will learn remaining form and general equation of circle. Thank you.